Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add publications to your profile. Publications are loaded from a sister site mipdatabase.com, so you can get a fully formatted citation for your papers without any work, but of course you always have the option to add them by typing in the reference. So let's go to the profile. So I've created a fake profile here so it doesn't relate to me exactly, so you won't see my real email address. So when you load the profile you get several pages. So this is the one where you can add your job title, etc. So I'm going to go down to the bottom of this and just go to the next one. So this is where you can add current and former jobs. Let's go to the third page. This is where you can add publications. So you can go straight here, you don't have to go through by actually editing the previous pages, as you can see. So on this page you have two options. You can retrieve publication data from mipdatabase.com and you can have up to 10 publications in your profile list. So you can make this little CV online. Bear in mind that the initials are unique to the listing. So if you have one or two initials like I do in some of my publications, you have actually two separate lists here, so you may have to go through this process more than once if there's a paper with a different set of initials that you're looking for, or your name spelt differently on the website. So I'm going to put my name in here and my two initials, and let's submit. And that actually works quite quickly. It retrieves the author list from mipdatabase.com, and here are my publications. So if I run down this list, let's pick a couple of the more recent publications. So let's pick this one and this one. So once they're selected, I go to the submit button. You then see the two, and you can see already that they're formatted links, so they'll link directly to mipdatabase.com. So I'm quite happy with this, so let's view my profile, and there are the publications in the list. So this is how this is displayed. You know, my email address says it's not displayed to non-members, but that's not my email address, that's a made-up one. So let's go back to the profile, and I can skip through here again, and we'll see the list. And now we have a few other options. So here's our list of our two publications. So we have two options here. We can edit, or we can view the profile as before, or we can add some more. So this is where you can use the other versions of your name. So if I use my single initial version, we'll see a different list, and maybe I'll pick something from that. Okay, so there's only 3 publications where my name is spelt differently. So let's go for this one here and add that to the list. So let's go back now. So now we see the 3 in the list. So say I want to swap the order of these two, then I can go to edit. I can select, so I can promote this by selecting the one I want to promote. So let's say number 2. If I click promote, then number 2 goes to number 1, and number 1 now becomes number 2. If I want to delete one, then I can delete it. If I want to add more references, I can just go back to that initial page. So you can do this for up to 10 references, and the other option is you can add something in free text. So just paste it into any of the vacant slots starting from the next one and then submit. So if I submit, we'll go back, we'll have nothing added to the list. Okay, I hope that shows you how you can update your publication list really easily. Particularly if you're working in the MIP area, all of those papers will be available in mipdatabase.com, and you can get a full citation just by clicking on it, and these link directly through to the database page. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.